Hello. Are you looking for the evidence and analysis you need when writing about the theme of power? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore the notion of power in the play and Inspector Calls. All I'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. Massively, public members to Berling have responsibilities as well as privileges. This declarative sentence is said deliberately with the audience in mind. We all have a responsibility to help others, but those in power, such as the Berlings, have even more responsibility. And this is obviously seen through the stage direction massively to highlight its importance. One Eva Smith has gone. There are millions and millions and millions of Eva Smiths and John Smiths still left with us, with their lives, their hopes, their fears, their suffering and chance of happiness, all intertwined with our lives and what we think and say and do. We don't live alone. We are members of one body. We are responsible for each other. And I tell you that a time will soon come when, if men will not learn that lesson, then they'll be taught it in fire and blood and anguish. Good night. Arguably the most important speech in the play, the monologue highlights Priest's view that we are all connected and what we do to others impacts ourselves. Eva Smith represents the working class. This therefore alerts the audience that the character may not be one woman, but many people who have been mistreated by the Berlings. The intertwined suggests not only that our lives are connected, but hints an organic image that we grow together and therefore die together. We also have the metaphor of the rope, wherein more rope is intertwined, it becomes stronger. Fire, blood, and anguish is a reference to two world wars, which the audience of the recent performance, that was first performed in 1946, would have knowledge of. Priest is trying to not just shock the audience through reference to death and hell, but demonstrates that we have failed to learn our lessons once before, and millions died because of it. Everybody knows about that horrible Abnegati. A girl I know had to see him at the town hall one afternoon, and she only escaped with a torn blouse. Priest highlights that the character is not as innocent as she first seems, Sheila are making reference to, whilst also highlighting that Alderman McGarty abuses his power by abusing women. Everybody knows highlights that there are many things which are known which no one acts upon, but without acting upon it, things cannot change. Horrible highlights the figure acts in a shocking manner, and once again highlights that it is the upper class who are acting in a disgraceful way. A man has to make his own way, has to look after himself and his family too, of course. Berling places himself before his own family, who, due to the hyphen, are loosely attached to his life. This makes the audience less likely to like the character, and therefore agree more with the socialist characters and the socialist message. Excited. Oh, Gerald, you've got it. Is it the one you wanted me to have? The character is presented as submissive and young in the opening act. She only seems to be happy with the ring if it's the one the character Gerald wanted, highlighting that she seems to have a lack of power in this regard. So a nice selection of analysis and key quotations for you to use to get the highest possible mark. It's now your chance to use them in your essay. So thank you and good luck.